illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's B. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a pig on a plane. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our pig in a plane character. We're going to start with the outline of the pig's head. So to do that, it's basically a rectangle shape but with curved edges, like this. Now we're going to add the pig's signature ears. I love pig's ears. So we'll come up, over, and fold down a little bit. Come back. And we'll do that same thing on the other side for the other ear. So we'll come up, fold, little point, and back. All right. I love pigs' noses too. Two front nostrils right there. And we're going to be doing some smiling eyes for this guy here. So we'll do two upside down letter U's with eyebrows. And of course, since this pig is flying in a plane, he's going to be very happy. So we're going to do a really fun open mouth smile on this side. All right, so now we're going to work on the body of our pig. Slightly bowed out there. And we'll do the same thing over here, but this is going to be a straighter line coming down here. And our pig is going to be sitting inside of the plane, so it's going to be poking out from this spot here. All right, so one arm is going to wave, and you know, pigs have those hooves at the end of their arms here. A little line there to separate. And the other arm is going to be holding onto the steering wheel. So we're going to curve this arm, again with the hoof at the end. And line there. And then we'll just draw a steering wheel that fits in this leftover space here. All right, now we're going to draw the rest of the plane. So we're going to start with the back line of our airplane that will be going behind our pig character. So we'll take a break here and then pick up on this side. Curve down for the front of our airplane. Gonna add the wings of our airplane now. So we're going to start with the back one. And the front wing, if you would draw an imaginary diagonal line, we want these to line up. So we're going to put a similar shape here, just going the opposite direction in front. And now we can continue with our airplane. And we won't quite close this shape because we want to put the tail of the airplane on here. So one curve up. And the next one will be similar to what we just did here, just a little bit smaller. And then we'll see a little bit of the one on the other side. Now for the propeller, we want to come up here to the very front of our airplane, and we'll start with a little triangle at the front. And then like a stretched number 8. Now, if you've watched other videos with me, you'll know that I love action lines, and action lines help us get the idea that our character is in motion somehow. So we are going to add some action lines for the propeller by just doing a couple curved lines here around where it is to make it seem like it's twirling. And because we want our pig to be moving, we'll also add a few action lines this way to make it seem like it's flying through the air. All right, illustrators, there is the outline of our pig in a plane illustration. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our pig in a plane illustration. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators! I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!